One of the biggest talking subjects on this channel has always been the regulation of crypto. And I feel as though we are getting so close to legitimacy around this space where utility will matter and we will have a completely regulated environment around these digital assets and digital currencies. And in this video, I'm going to be outlining a few things happening right now around this space that are so bullish for XRP, for Ripple, and even for the XRP ledger. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. Let's dive on in. Let's talk about this post here from Smoke Dog, which does say 3 important facts to remember at this phase in the bull cycle. Institutional appetite for tokenized assets is steadily growing. XRP is on track for an exchange-traded fund, highlighting its potential for mainstream investment offerings. The U.S. Treasury is closely examining Tether's connections to sanctioned entities, raising concerns about compliance and regulatory scrutiny. Documented. And yes, as we look at institutional adoption, it is starting to grow significantly. The tokenization revolution is officially happening. And by the way, it's happening on the XRP ledger. I am so very excited for the future around the tokenized economy for a lot of these major utility projects like, of course, XRP. And the reason why I say that, it's because the XRP ledger is 100% prepared to handle massive amounts of volume and transactions that tokenization is going to bring to these networks. The overall network effect from the tokenization revolution is going to completely overshadow everything that you could ever think about when it comes to, crypto and network effects. Now, talking about that, let's address a few things that have happened in 2024. Number 1, news alert. Tokenization platform Open Eden Labs is bringing tokenized U.S. Treasury bills, T-bills, to the XRP ledger. What's more, Ripple is creating a fund to invest in tokenized T-bills and will allocate $10 million to Open Eden's T-bill tokens as part of it. Now, also outside of this, we have here just announced that XRP Ledger Apex, Ripple, and Archix are expanding their partnership to bring hundreds of millions of dollars in tokenized real-world assets to the XRP Ledger over the next year. This move solidifies the XRP Ledger as a leading blockchain for RWA tokenization. Archix partners with leading financial institutions to enable tokenization of RWAs. Thanks to this extended collaboration, these institutions will be able to utilize the XRP Ledger to tokenize their assets. Our industry is at the start of the next major adoption stage in which blockchain technology will deliver real utility in financial markets at scale. And the key word there is scale. Now, also, Axeler. Ripple and Axel Foundation are partnering up, supporting a pioneering step forward for the XRP Ledger. And if we actually look at this, the full focus is to make sure that the XRP Ledger is going to have advanced RWA and DeFi capabilities within it. This is very exciting because it's all based around tokenization. All of this is based around tokenization, specifically institutionalization of tokenization on these networks. And it's all focused on DeFi as well. And of course, when we think about, tokenization, one individual comes to mind because he has been all in on the tokenization narrative, which is Marcus Infiger, the SVP of Ripple X. This is on Thinking Crypto One's podcast from Tony Edward. Crypto revolution, traditional financial institutions are embracing tokenization. Marcus Infiger, SVP of Ripple X, highlights that institutions such as BlackRock embracing tokenization is more bullish than the launch of the crypto ETFs. And yes, the ETFs have always been a distraction away from the tokenization move that these big players like BlackRock have been pushing. Check this out.
I very much welcome what we're seeing. And what I'm particularly excited about is, we've seen this year a clear shift from traditional financial institutions moving beyond the point of offering crypto as an investment class to their customers, but now they really want to make the move into solving actual frictions by entering to the game of tokenization. To give you an example, BUIDL by BlackRock has in many ways for me been a bigger deal than a spot Bitcoin ETF.
And these tokenization efforts are 100% more bullish than the ETFs. I've always outlined how much money is out there in the world. This is back in 2022. It hasn't been updated since, but this is how much money is actually out there in the world, right? We look at, these billion-dollar industries and it's just like, all right, yeah, these are big, but when you really kind of look at gold and we look at the world's billionaires, we look at central bank balance sheets, we look at the S&P 500, we look at, all of these markets, guys. These are 10 plus trillion dollar markets, some of them 100 trillion plus. Global debt 300 trillion. Ballooning debt itself, like debt just continues to grow significantly. We also have global real estate well over 300 plus trillion dollars. Okay, household wealth over 463 trillion dollars. And also, if we come down here to derivatives, I mean, listen, there is potentially quadrillions of dollars out there in terms of just derivatives alone. I mean, the amount of money out there that will be touched by tokenization is just absolutely insane. A lot of people cannot even understand that there is this type of money out there. But yes, it's in the quadrillions of dollars and it will all be flowing on chain. It's already starting. And even over here, we have with the tokenized assets market set for exponential growth, public blockchains have the potential to foster institutional and DeFi adoption and transform the global financial system. And this is from Marcus Infinger at Ripple that utilizes the XRP ledger and XRP. So if we're thinking about that, the XRP ledger is a public blockchain, and they are starting to push institutional DeFi adoption onto the XRP ledger, which confirms that the XRP ledger will be a part of the transformation of the global financial system, as we do see mentioned here. But also more recently, we have some pretty big news from Archix. Obviously, I did outline this back on the 20th, but remember this, Archix just added tokenized money market funds from State Street, Fidelity, and LGIM, launching on Hedera, XRP Ledger, and Arbitrum. The reason why I bring this back up is because we also have been seeing some big news happening from big banks like Societe Generale with Forge. They announced the launch of its EURC-V stablecoin on the XRP ledger as well. This is going to be happening next year. And we have here from Marcus Infinger, another strong signal from traditional finance is coming on chain. A Societe Generale Forge brings its Euro stablecoin to the XRP ledger. And again, this is because of all of the great benefits that Ripple Custody has to offer, but also the XRP ledger. And I bring this back up because we just got this announcement today, right? Or yesterday, if you will, because it's now midnight. Archix, in collaboration with Ripple, has launched the first tokenized money market fund on the XRP ledger. This groundbreaking initiative brings tokenized access to Aberdeen, $3.8 billion US dollar liquidity fund, paving the way for enhanced operational efficiencies and institutional adoption of real-world asset tokenization. And this is a very big announcement. Why? Because it is officially telling you that the RWA revolution, the big move, is now happening on the XRP ledger. It is officially starting. This is the start of the, quadrillion dollar plus tokenization revolution. It's happening in small clips over time. This is going to quickly snowball. And we have here, of course, from Marcus Infinger again, yet more momentum as a tokenized money market fund from the UK asset manager Aberdeen launches on the XRP ledger. In addition, Ripple will allocate $5 million into the fund to support the growth of real-world asset tokenization. And of course, Ripple did outline the fact that with $16 trillion in tokenized assets projected by 2030, this milestone unlocks cost savings and settlement efficiencies by deploying capital markets infrastructure on the XRP ledger. Now, we have over here the full breakdown. So we have a spotlight put on the fact that this is all based around RWA tokenization, but it's also based around institutional decentralized finance, DeFi. We have down here that this is a big milestone for, both parties included, of course, for the XRP ledger. They do mention the $16 trillion by 2030 opportunity. We also see the allocation of $5 million. But we have the next evolution of financial market infrastructure will be driven by the broader adoption of digital securities. Real benefits are to be had from leveraging the efficiency of moving the end-to-end investment and cash settlement process on chain. The XRP ledger is an established venue for this Thanks to the institutional grade functionality, cost efficiency, and built-in compliance capabilities, we are delighted to be working with Ripple and Archix to deliver this important milestone. The arrival of Aberdeen's money market fund on the XRP ledger demonstrates how real-world assets are being tokenized to enhance operational efficiencies while further reinforcing the XRP ledger as one of the leading blockchains for real-world asset tokenization. There is no question that the on-chain economy is gaining real traction. By working with companies like Archix, we are excited to help financial institutions like Aberdeen to seize the incredible opportunity represented by blockchain and digital assets technology to deliver real utility at scale. And there you guys have it again, at scale. Financial institutions are understanding the value of adopting digital assets for real-world use cases. There is now real momentum building for tokenized real-world assets, and Archix is at the forefront of tokenizing assets such as equities, debt instruments, and money market funds. In collaboration with Ripple, we are excited to help our clients such as Aberdeen, which manages over £500 billion in assets as of Q2 of 2024, to bring them to the XRP ledger using Archix's tokenization engine. Institutional buyers can now purchase Aberdeen's Lux fund directly from Archix in token form. This is very, very exciting stuff, guys. I'm telling you right now, the XRP ledger is a proven and scalable blockchain purpose-built to meet the needs of financial institutions with native capabilities such as tokenization, trading, escrow, and movement of assets. The XRP ledger provides a strong foundation for the RWA tokenization and institutional-grade DeFi. Companies like Ripple have been using the XRP ledger for over a decade to power financial use cases, including global payments, digital asset custody, and stablecoin issuance. I'm telling you guys right now, there is no better option for these types of major moves than the XRP ledger, and we are witnessing this in real time. And remember what Archix's CEO told you guys. Archix CEO Graham Rodford predicts XRP trading volume on the XRP ledger could hit $30 to $50 trillion. This could skyrocket Ripple adoption and send XRP past, now they're saying $900. Again, these price predictions are just kind of wild, but I do think that it is going to make XRP very valuable. Is it going to make it $900 per XRP? I don't believe so, but hey, you never know. Check this out.
30 to 50 trillion, all on XRPL trading on Artex.
Here we go.
Find my original projections, but the total market is 1.4 quadrillion, everything that's ever out there. And if you start looking across any of those asset classes, they're all starting to move on chain already. And the ease with which we've seen people interested in money market fund, tokenized treasuries, and those types of instruments, the support for stablecoins, when you're talking about replacing cash, when I see DTCC, Euroclear, Clearstream, you know, it only takes one of them to flip onto natively digital, and that's trillions of assets on its own that move. So, you know, tens of trillions, I think we could see. And bearing in mind it's 1.4 quadrillion, this is still a tiny slice of a huge market. You know, 30 to 50 trillion, all on XRPL trading on Artex.
Here we go. $50 trillion. 2 years from now, Ripple, Twitter will replay the.
And of course, he did say by the end of 2025. We don't know if that's going to happen, right? 30 to 50 trillion within a year seems kind of wild to me, but I do think that this is officially beginning. And I do think that this is the beginning stages on a path to 30 to 50 trillion dollars on the XRP ledger. And if we're thinking about those network effects, I do think that it will make XRP very valuable. We don't know the exact value that XRP will have on it, but all I gotta say is I think that XRP holders are going to be very happy when we start to see the tokenization revolution really heating up. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.